This presentation is a short introduction of Key2Publish, where we show you a view of the smart solutions it brings you. For a comprehensive overview of all the features that Key2Publish offers, we refer to the tutorial page of our website or the manual. Avoiding time-consuming and costly manual data entry. Key2Publish has a number of useful features for manual entry. However, manual entry is error-prone and very time-consuming. To minimize manual input, Key2Publish allows you to import data from external sources. This version has the following input possibilities: import from a CSV file, import from a K2Z file, and finally import from a Webshop. First we import a Russian data CSV file, we download it from MyScat. How much time this import takes depends on the size of the file and speed of your computer. Better data overview. If the data is imported, we see that the tree structure in combination with the mouse over image function gives you a good view of the groups and products. Even if, like in this example, you are viewing a Russian dataset, Key2Publish works flawlessly with different characters and languages. But for this demo we are going to proceed with an English set, which we open by importing an K2Z file. K2Z, plug and play data exchange. With K2Z, Key2Publish offers a plug and play fast import file format for storing and exchanging data. Like with CSV, it can be imported from your computer or from the web. We choose for the online import by filling in the URL. The data has been imported. This goes much faster in comparison with a CSV file with the same content. Manage, adjust and enrich data. If the data is not yet ready for export to the shop, it can be changed and enriched. Therefore the data tree is customizable. For this, there are many functions available. It is even possible to draw up a completely new structure, like we do now, as we create the new group, Electronics, where we place, using the drag and drop function, the group laser toner and cartridges, and do the same with the networking cards group. Now using the group manager. If there is a very huge data tree and you have to make a lot of changes, it is a better option to use the group manager instead of the drag and drop function. The group Electronics is filled with product data, and almost ready for export. But, we see that this data does not yet contain any prices. We will add these by synchronizing the data set with a pricing file. We have to select a file or database containing the prices, in combination with product codes. In this case we take a K2Z file we find on the PC. We synchronize the existing dataset with the prices from this price file by selecting Update while importing the price file. The update is ready, and the prices are added. Export data to the Webshop. Next we select the product data we want to upload. Here we see the shop we want to upload the products to. To export the data we select the Webshop Export tab, and export the data by clicking the Export button. But before running the export, it is possible to make a backup of the existing Webshop product data. What we skipped this time. The data is exported, and when we refresh the shop we see that the group Electronics and its data is placed in the shop. Place data in existing categories. The export function of Key2Publish works on a very simple principle. The category structure is leading. If you want to place products in a specific category in the shop, then just make sure those products are under the same category structure in Key2Publish. We will show how this works by adding data under the cases category. We return to Key2Publish, and for time's sake, we use a quick and dirty method. Making a group category, cases, only by changing the name into cases. We select the data, and press the export button. Here we see the shop. If we refresh the page, we see that the groups and products selected in Key2Publish are added under the group cases in the shop. Just as if we have constructed in Key2Publish. Import data from a Webshop. Another useful feature is the ability to import, and after enriching, replace this adjusted data back into the shop again. A handy solution, for example, if you have unwanted text characters in the content of your shop. Like here /n, we import the data, so we can use Key2Publish customization and enrichment features. First, we use the search function to see where this sign already occurs in the shop data. The check marks show us that it is widespread in the data. We will use the search and replace function to remove the unwanted characters from the data. Notice that Key2Publish has also a function to remove HTML from the data. Of course only needed if you want to remove the HTML codes. Because \n is not HTML, we will delete this character via the search and replace function. If we search for the /n sign again, we will see that they are removed from the data, and if we export the data back to the shop, the characters will also be removed over there. But before we do that, we're going to do something about the missing image. Add image from URL. The question mark indicates that no valid image is attached to this product. We found a picture of the product on the internet. By pasting the corresponding URL in the image field, export to the Webshop will put this image from that site into your shop, so that it is not needed to download this image on your PC first. Finally, we removed the unwanted characters and added an image. We export the whole dataset to the shop. The export is ready. We return to the shop, and see that the unwanted characters are removed, and the new image is placed. More export options. Besides export to web shops, with Key2Publish you can generate product feed files, PDF and InDesign catalogs, product sheets and sales flyers. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your interest. Please check our publications or contact us for more information.